Hi, I'm Joe Fortin. I am the founder of the Hollywood Poker Academy, and what I'm here to do today is not to teach you how to play poker. I'm here to teach you how to make money playing poker. There's a big difference. 90% of all poker players are losers. 10% are winners. 10% have patience. 90% have no patience. 10% of poker players study the game, they read books, and they have discipline. The other 90%, which is most of the people out there, including people watching this DVD right now, donate to the game. Hey, not everybody's in this game to make money. Personally, the only reason I do this is to make money. Playing poker is very easy to do. Anybody can learn how to play poker. If you don't really know much about poker, what you can do is go to one of the many online websites. There's about 140 online poker websites you can play at that cost no money. You can use play money and you can learn the game. The 90% of poker players that do play poker donate to the game. They're constantly adding money into their accounts. They're constantly reaching in their wallets. The other 10% are sitting, waiting for the good opportunity to make money. Most people play poker the way a lion cub hunts for food. Let me give you this example. When a lion teaches their cubs how to hunt for food, okay? She'll wound a gazelle, she'll show it to her young, and the young cubs, who don't really have a killer instinct yet, will play with that wounded gazelle. They don't know how to kill it. The little gazelle will run away, they'll swat it down, chase it, but these young lion cubs, 8, 9 months, are playing with their food. They're playing, they don't have the killer instinct yet. What I'm gonna show you how to do is I'm gonna show you how to hunt for food like a leopard hunts for food. What a leopard does is he gets up in a tree and he waits. A leopard has patience. A leopard will wait up in a tree for 1 hour, 2 hours, 3 hours, 2 days, whatever it takes. He's gonna stay up in that tree and he's gonna wait. What's he waiting for? He's waiting for a sure thing. He's waiting for dinner basically to show up under his tree. He's gonna jump out of the tree. He's gonna jump on that gazelle and devour it in literally 2 seconds. Then he's back up in the tree waiting. That's what a professional poker player does. That's a basic analogy. Mainly playing poker is about patience, discipline, and aggression. And that's what I'm going to show you here today is poker players need to be patient, you need to be selective, and you need to be very aggressive when the time is right. What I'm going to talk about right now is very basic and simple, but it's very, very important, and that is using a card protector when you play your hand. A card protector is basically this. Say you're dealt your 2 cards, okay? And I'm going to give this guy 2 cards also.